You're watching Sagarmatha Television. Now it's time for our legal discussion with Mr. Ali Azhar and Alfredo Asin, attorneys at law from the law office of Lewis and Associates in Falls Church, Virginia. Let's hear what they have to discuss today.
Namaste viewers, this is Ali Azhar.
Namaste viewers, this is Alfredo Asin, and we're here in Falls Church, Virginia from law offices of Lewis and Associates.
And we're being brought to your homes through this wonderful program called Sagarmatha Television. Alfredo, I wanted to talk about something a little different in this segment. I know we generally talk about immigration, we do talk about some family law. I know we had a situation in our office which was kind of unique, and when I think about it more, I see that a lot of other viewers of this program may potentially find themselves in that type of a scenario. So I thought for the benefit of the viewers, we'll discuss that. What if I'm here, I'm a business operator, and for some reason I have to leave, let's say out of the country, go back to my home country of Nepal, and I leave my business and everything in the hands of somebody I trust, and then I come back and I realize that for whatever reason they have not been able to meet my financial situation, or the landlord has basically locked me out and all of my property is inside. Do they have a right to dispose of that property? And if they threaten to dispose it off, what protections are available to me? And if they have disposed of my property, how can I recover damages?
Okay. There's a lot to this question, so let me
break
it out. Right, let's break it down. So your question was, you're overseas, your business is running.
Or anywhere for that fact, where you don't have control.
Where you don't have control, but someone didn't do what they were supposed to do, and now the landlord's locked you out.
Right.
The first step is see if you can contact the landlord just to make amends, pay the arrears and all of that. A lot of times that'll result in you getting your stuff back. And I should also add that a lot of states have what's called self-help for landlords, meaning that if you're behind on your rent, they'll come in, change the lock, and try and sell your stuff. However, there's also due process, meaning they can't just sell it without you having notice or anything. So they actually have to go to court and obtain a court order in most states to do this. And in most states also, they can only recover up to what they're owed. So if you owe them $3,000, they can only recover their $3,000. They can't pocket the rest of it. You have to get the remainder of that back. Now let's add another twist to that. Let's say that the landlord changes the locks, keeps everything, even though you're current on it, right? What do? Call the police, first of all. File a police report. That way you have a police investigation started there. Also contact an attorney, because they can find solutions for you on the civil matter, whereas the police will pursue criminal actions against these people and hopefully get everything back for you before it's all sold or disposed of. Now let's say all of the items have actually been disposed of. Right. So what do? That's when you have your attorney file a lawsuit to recover the money, and that way you can get a judgment and recover your money civilly. Unfortunately, that usually takes a little longer than the law enforcement route, just because it's civil court, so they have to make sure that all the process is followed. But at the end of the day, that's how you would receive compensation for everything.
That's fairly interesting, and I guess the important thing is, like I always stress on this program, and I know Mr. Lewis always stresses, that it's very important to seek competent legal counsel. These matters are quite intricate, and you have rights, and in order to make sure that your rights are safeguarded, you should be represented by competent counsel. These laws are also specific statewide. So what may be true in our area may not be true in other areas. So it is always better to seek competent counsel and guidance and go forward from there. I think this is about as much time as we have for this particular segment. So I'm going to beg leave from our wonderful viewers. This is Ali Azhar saying goodbye and God bless for now.
This is Alfredo Asin saying thank you very much.
Sagarmatha Television.
Now it's time for our health segment with Dr. Dan Biswakarma from Lorton, Virginia. Let's hear what advice he has to give to us today.
नमस्कार, म डाक्टर दान विश्वकर्मा। आज म यहाँहरूलाई यो युरिनरी ट्र्याक सम्बन्धी जसलाई हामीले पिसाबको इन्फेक्सन भयो भनेर भनिन्छ त्यसको छोटो जानकारी लिएर आएको छु। यो पिसाबको इन्फेक्सन प्रायःजसो हामी सबैलाई एक न एक पटक भएको हुन्छ। बच्चादेखि लिएर बुढाबुढी सुकेलाई पनि हुन सक्ने रोग हो। विशेष गरेर यो चाहिँ फिमेलहरुमा चाहिँ आइमाई स्त्रीहरुमा चाहिँ एकदमै बढी मात्रामा भइरहेको हुन्छ। युरिनरी ट्र्याकलाई चाहिँ हामी दुई भागमा विभाजन गरिएको हुन्छ। एउटा हो अपर युरिनरी ट्र्याक र अर्को लोअर युरिनरी ट्र्याक। लोअर युरिनरी ट्र्याकमा हामी चाहिँ यो युरेथ्रा भयो, ब्ल्याडर भयो, युरिनरी ब्ल्याडर भयो, यो पर्न आउँछ भने अपर युरिनरी ट्र्याकमा चाहिँ यहाँको युरेटर एउटा पाइप हुन्छ, त्यो किडनीलाई ब्ल्याडरसँग जोड्ने पाइप हुन्छ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ युरेटर भनिन्छ। र अर्को टप मोस्ट पार्ट चाहिँ किडनी हो। किडनी र युरेटरले चाहिँ अपर युरिनरी ट्र्याक चाहिँ बनाउने गर्दछ। यसमा चाहिँ हामी लोअर युरिनरी ट्र्याकको इन्फेक्सन भयो भने हामीलाई चाहिँ विशेष गरेर चाहिँ यो पिसाब पोल्ने, बारम्बार पिसाब फेर्न जानु परिराख्ने, त्यसै गरेर चाहिँ पिसाब लागेपछि तुरुन्त गइहाल्नु पर्ने, रोक्न पनि नसक्ने, अथवा पिसाबमा चाहिँ खुन आउने अथवा ब्लड आउने हुने हुन्छ भने त्यसै गरेर हाम्रो तल्लो पेटमा चाहिँ ब्ल्याडर भएको एरियामा चाहिँ एकदमै दुख्ने हुन सक्छ। यो त भयो लोअर युरिनरी ट्र्याकको चाहिँ सिम्पटमहरु। त्यसै गरेर अपर युरिनरी ट्र्याकको जस्तै युरेटर अथवा चाहिँ किडनीमा इन्फेक्सन भयो भने यो लोअर युरिनरी ट्र्याक इन्फेक्सनमा भए जस्तो सिम्पटमको अलावा एकदम ज्वरो आउन सक्ने हुन सक्छ, जाडो लाग्ने, काम छुट्ने, त्यसै गरेर पछाडीको भागमा चाहिँ दुख्ने, किडनीको एरियामा चाहिँ दुख्ने, त्यसै गरेर पेटै दुख्ने पनि हुन सक्छ। ज्वरो आउने, टाउको दुख्ने त यो एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण चाहिँ लक्षण हुन सक्छ। भने यो पिसाबमा इन्फेक्सन हुँदाखेरिमा चाहिँ पछि गएर चाहिँ यदि चाहिँ यो शरीरमा चाहिँ ब्लडमा फैलियो भने चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ ब्लड प्रेसर कम हुने, एकदमै रिङ्गटा लाग्ने, सकमा चाहिँ जानुपर्ने अवस्था हुन्छ, जसलाई हामी पाइलोनेफ्राइटिस भनेर भनिन्छ। यदि तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ त्यो अलि साधारण खालको चाहिँ पिसाब पोल्ने गर्ने त्यस्तो भएको छ भने तपाईले चाहिँ पानी प्रशस्त पिउने, त्यस्तै गरेर बजारमा पाउने एउटा औषधि हुन्छ चाहिँ यो फेनाजोपाइरिडिन भन्ने हुन्छ, जसलाई चाहिँ हामीले एजोको नामले चाहिँ पाइन्छ। त्यो खानुभयो भने त्यसले पनि अलिकति लक्षणको हटाउने काम गर्दछ, तर यसले चाहिँ खास इन्फेक्सनलाई कन्ट्रोल चाहिँ गर्दैन, तर रिलिफ चाहिँ हुन्छ। तर यदि तपाईलाई चाहिँ एकदमै पिसाब बारम्बार लागिरहेको छ, पिसाब अति नै पोल्ने हुन्छ, ज्वरो आइरहेको छ, टाउको दुखिरहेको छ र चाहिँ एकदम रिङ्गटा लाग्छ भने तुरुन्तै डाक्टरकोमा गएर चाहिँ तपाईलाई चाहिँ सल्लाह लिनुपर्ने हुन्छ, पानी प्रशस्तै पिउने गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। यदि चाहिँ अब तपाईलाई चाहिँ अब यो प्रिभेन्सनको लागि चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ बजारमा चाहिँ एउटा क्रेनबेरी जुस भन्ने पाइन्छ, त्यो पियो भने पनि त्यसले धेरै मतलब प्रिभेन्सन गर्न सक्छ भनेर चाहिँ भन्ने गरिन्छ। हस् त यो युरिनरी ट्र्याक सम्बन्धी छोटो जानकारी आजलाई यति नै। अर्को हप्ता फेरि यस्तै जानकारी लिएर उपस्थित हुनेछु। त्यति बेलासम्म बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्कार।
For all your accounting need, tax, business formation, refund maximization and compliance. For more information, Hari Sharma, Accrual Accounting Services Inc.
Well, viewers, that's all for today. We hope you have enjoyed this episode of Sagarmatha Television. Don't forget to watch Nepal Darshan Television every Sunday at 12:30 p.m. right here on M8Z Networks. Now, we would like to conclude today's episode with this beautiful Nepali song. See you next week. Until then, I am Shreyaska Dahal saying goodbye and namaste.
मलाई अङ्गालो हारिसक्यो अरूलाई अङ्गालो नहार जब सन्ध्या हुन्छ दिल मेरो घबराउँछ तिम्रो मिलनको आसमा गाह्रोले सताउँछ जब सन्ध्या हुन्छ मेरो घबराउँछ तिम्रो मिलनको आसमा गाह्रोले सताउँछ ओठ हाँसोको लागि Kulagi, oh te haso kulagi, haso eti kulagi, karamaya friend, trihutsa dai kulagi, jabusan. जब सन्ध्या हुन्छ दिल मेरो घबराउँछ तिम्रो मिलनको आसमा